question number 1. When you squeeze an orange, what comes out? Orange juice, right. Not mango juice? Not grape juice? What about watermelon juice? Today'd be a nice day for watermelon juice. No, when you squeeze an orange, you get orange juice. You guys are smarter than I thought. Okay, now the next question. A little more difficult. When you squeeze an orange, as you said, you get orange juice. So the next question is, why do you get orange juice? Right, because that's what's inside the orange. Yes or yes? You guys are smart. When you squeeze an orange, you get orange juice because that's what's inside the orange. Now, question number 3. Question number what? Yes, just making sure you're awake. Okay, question number 3. When you're squeezed, what comes out of you?